Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and yes, I'm finally back with another video. I have got a hell of a lot of videos planned to shoot. I have been sick recently. We'll get into it further than that, but anyway, we're here with this bad boy, the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. And I think, Sam, didn't you unbox this one? No, I actually unboxed the P40 Pro, and as you can see, this is the Plus. And I'm thinking, what's the difference? Well, I will go through some of the differences in a later video of the full differences, but the biggest difference is, there's probably 3, maybe 4 that I'd class as biggest differences, is the build. It's actually made of ceramic, which I'll show you. It's got a 3 and a 10 times optical zoom instead of it being a 5 times optical zoom, which to me is a pretty big difference. And also it comes with 512 gigabytes of internal storage. Now I'd say probably they're the biggest ones. It does also do, I think, 40 watt wireless charging. Yeah, I know, 40 watts. Anyway, let's just bring the good old unboxing knife in, shall we? As you can see, it's a fully sealed device. First time I've had a fully sealed device for quite a while, to be fair. Most of the devices I've kind of been getting have, well, not been sealed, should I say. Now let's take it off there, because it is open now. Let's just tear it off. Let's not go for none of that Nancy-dancy kind of stuff. Here we go. I'm excited for this one because I think the P40 Pro itself was a fantastic device. And I just think the camera on this one, again, it's just going to take it to a whole new level. Dun, dun, dun. P40 Pro Plus. And again, it's got that Leica camera on it. Now, I believe it's the white one I've got. Oh, yes, it is. It is a white one. Feels a little bit heavier straight out of the box. Stick that there for 2 seconds. Let's stick it that way around, shall we? What else are we getting? Oh, okay, so this is kind of new. This didn't come on my original box. So it's got petal search. Now, if you don't know what petal search is, it's kind of like it works in coordination with the app gallery, kind of, where it searches for APKs, which is the container file. It's the actual app APK. It's the app application, let's say, on Android, where you can get stuff that's not on the app gallery. So an example, stuff like WhatsApp might not be on there. You can download WhatsApp using petal search directly from WhatsApp. So you don't have to go through Play services, etc. Because again, this has no Google on it at all, which some people love, some people don't like. Me using the P40 Pro, to be honest with you, at first, it is a little bit more difficult. There's no kind of getting around it. But if you adapt to it, it is very feasible to use it as a daily driver without any problems at all. And there's also phone clones, so if you're coming from a previous device, then you can use phone clone for that as well. That's pretty cool, actually. I like that. That's really cool. What else are we getting inside here? So there's no kind of, in my box here, there's no particular kind of a gel case for it like that. I think there might be in some regions, potentially. So here we go, we've got the P40 Pro Plus, the quick start guide. Yeah, let's just chuck them over there. Now, again, if you're buying this in your particular country, you are going to be getting your specific charger. Now, mine obviously is going to be the European one here because it's just the one I've been supplied. If you're in the UK, you will get a UK plug. If you're in other parts of the world, you'll generally get the one. If you're buying it locally, you should get the one for your country. And this one, if I believe correctly, yep, it's the 40 watts out of the box. So you can actually charge this phone at 40 watts straight away. I know some companies apparently are going to get rid of chargers. Weird. In this one, you're going to be getting the USB-C to USB. Now, always check for the purple. If it's purple, then it's going to be supercharged. Believe it or not, I've actually bought a couple of third-party chargers, and they also come with the purple on it, and they work with supercharge, which I thought, oh, fan-bloody-tastic. I love it. And you're also going to be getting some earphones as well. Let's have a quick look at them. Yeah, so that kind of standard kind of style that most companies have kind of gone over these days, in USB Type-C, because there is no headphone jack. Well, obviously, we're in 2020. To be fair, this is kind of the year they could bring it back and everyone would be like, what? But yeah, he's not coming back, let's be honest now. Let's just chuck that off to the side as well. And that's pretty much it. You also get your SIM ejector tool there as well. Let's just put all that there. Let's bring in the star of the show. And again, it does feel a little bit heavier straight off the bat. I believe it is a little heavier than the standard P40 Pro. And let's just take this bad boy off, shall we? Has it got any good sounds or out? It's not the greatest sound in the world. So again, that's just the bit of plastic on there. Oh, oh yeah, I'm liking the feel of that. That feels good. Let's have a quick look. Let's take the stickers off as well, shall we, really quickly? Da-da-da-da-da. Off it goes there. I've not seen that sticker before. Is that new? Anyone seen that before? Looks like a dinosaur kind of footprint. Anyway, let's take that one off as well. And first thing I'm feeling is this ceramic back. You're thinking, you can't feel that much different. It's kind of shiny, just like a glass one would be. I don't know. I am feeling a difference in there. It sounds different when you tap it. That's nice. I like the feel of that, and I've got to admit, I do like the look of it. Because remember when the rage was, we all had black phones, we all then had white phones, we then went to black phones, we got multicoloured phones, and then just something elegant like that. Yeah, I like that. That looks really, really nice. And it feels absolutely fantastic. So let me just get the normal one. Okay, so here's the normal P40 Pro. I mean, obviously looking at them side by side, they look pretty much identical. But yeah, it just feels, I mean, this is, I don't know, again, if you can hear it. It's probably going to sound the same on the thing here. But it just, the feel of it, it feels more fragile. It's not, because I've dropped this a couple of times, but it feels fragile. Whereas this one, I don't know, it feels solid. It feels like I don't know, like a bit of stone. Yeah, it feels really, really nice. And again, when you do look at them kind of side by side comparisons, don't look like there's any difference at all, to be fair, does there? I mean, even the camera bump looks very, very similar, if not identical. But as you can see here, there is a difference between them. But we see that there. So on the normal P40 Pro, you've got your 5x zoom, you've got your 50 megapixel, I think it's 50 megapixel normal, kind of like normal lens. And then you've got your cine lens, which is 40 megapixel. Again, I've gone to the top of my head really quickly. Yeah, we've got 40 megapixel on that one. And then your time of flight sensor. Whereas on the new bad boy, I should say his bigger brother, we've got a 10 times, I don't know if you can see in there, yes, a 10 times optical zoom, a 3 times optical zoom, which is like pretty crazy, and then the exact same cameras here. So what you're doing is you're trading off a 5 times optical zoom for a 10 and a 3, which personally I think 3 is like the perfect size for like just out and about. And then if you want to get like a big zoom, you've got your 10. It sounds insane. And again, those two are the exact same with the time of flight and obviously the LED. Yeah, I'm telling you, I am liking the feel of this. Anyway, checking around the phone really quickly. Let's not turn this into a 50-minute unboxing, Sam. We have got the SIM ejector here, where the actual SIM card will go. And also a nano memory, the microphone, USB Type-C for charging, again with that 40 watt charger, and also 40 watt wireless charging, which I'll go into as well. We've then got the power button just about here. Yeah, it feels nice. And then the volume up and down, to the side of it there. On the top of it, yes, we are keeping the infrared, which I thought, yes, fantastic. I don't use it as much, but my friend Peter Holden, he uses it all the time when he goes to the pub. He's always turning the channels over. So yeah, and then we've got another microphone here. And then down this side, absolutely nothing. I've got a feeling there's some plastic on here. Yeah, there is. There's got to be some plastic on here. Or is that just... What is that? Is that just some of the sticky stuff that's left over? Some of the residue? Yeah, I think it is. Tell you what, I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. It'll be 2 seconds. Alright, so I am back. Yeah, it's just a bit of the residue from the bloody plastic thing that was on the side there. I guess it must have been the way I took it off. But yeah, it's just a little bit sticky, that's all. Anyway, where was I? Oh, that's it, just taking it around the phone. And again, now on that side, absolutely nothing. Now, at first I was thinking, why is it it feels a little weird on the screen? It's because it does come with a pre-built screen protector on there. As you can just see that there at the top corner. Yeah, you can just about see it and get it to focus again. Focus. Don't want to focus, does it? There we go, I'll get it this time though. There we go, you can see that screen protector just there. Whereas on my normal one, I believe, I can't remember it coming one on, but if it did, I would have taken it off anyway because it feels so much nicer. So if you want to leave it on there, you can do. Personally, I would take mine off, so yeah, that's me. But that's it, that's an unboxing and just a quick first hands-on in terms of the hardware for the P40 Pro Plus. Got to admit, I am liking the feel of that, and it looks beautiful. I mean, come on, how nice does that look? Huh? Got some new lights, so hopefully it's coming off nice. I'm very, very interested to check out that 10x zoom and also the 3x zoom. Just see if I can see a big difference between that and obviously its little brother, the P40 Pro. Because this phone, in terms of camera, it's probably my favourite camera phone. You know, the actual camera on this bad boy, just, it is insane. And again, I'm looking forward to trying to take it to a new light. There's my light, a new height with the P40 Pro Plus in this beautiful ceramic white. It does come in a blue, black colour as well, I believe. I would have liked some extra colours, but I don't know. This white one it's definitely tickled my fancy. I definitely like it. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. I'm going to get off. I'm going to do a full setup video. So if you've never used a Huawei device without Google services, then I will be doing a full setup video so you can actually see what that's like. And that'll be linked down below once it's uploaded as well. Anyway, people, thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, then go on, please smash that like button. Go on, you know you want to, and go on, subscribe. It's free. Honestly, it's free. See? Tells you. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you'll see these puppies, and you'll probably hear this voice, but hopefully it sounds better soon in my next video. Cheers, everyone.